Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Desiccated soda lime. Desiccated soda lime is dry soda lime. When desiccated soda lime is used with sevoflurane, there can be burns of respiratory tract. Second, if desiccated soda lime is used with desflurane more commonly than isoflurane, sevoflurane and halothane, then this can result in carbon monoxide production. So desiccated soda lime is a dry soda lime. Desiccated soda lime is a precipitating factor for carbon dioxide production in closed circuit. Desiccated soda lime, if it is used with desflurane or isoflurane or halothane or sevoflurane, this will result in carbon monoxide poisoning. Whereas if desiccated soda lime is used with sevoflurane, it results in burns of the respiratory tract.
thank you and thank you for watching.